Good morning, students. In a previous class, we have learned the exercise problems with the exponents. Related topic exponents and laws of exponents. We have apply and solve the exercise problems. Okay, I hope you are all complete the homework also. Now we are going to do the worksheet 1 and 2 problems today. Okay, so let's start. So worksheet 1 and 2, unit 5. So worksheet 1, select the correct answer, fill in the blanks. These are the homework. Okay, if you have any doubt, we'll ask in the evening online class. Okay, right. So first one, third problem. Okay, so first fill in the blanks and select the correct answer from the worksheet 1 or homework. Okay, the third problem, in the first round of the local football tournament, there are 2 power 5 matches. Find the number of matches. So number of matches given in the exponent. We have find out that how many matches. Okay, so see. So local football tournaments, is it? So how many matches are there? Local football tournaments. There are 2 power 5 matches. Okay, so therefore the number of matches is equal to 2 power 5. What is the value of 2 power 5? 2 multiplied itself how many times? 5 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So how many matches? Thus 32 matches. Fourth one, a publisher sells 10 power 6 copies of new book. So 10 power 6 copies of new book. Each book has 10 power 2 pages. 10 power 2 pages. 10 power 2 means 100, you know. So each book having the how many pages? 100 pages. Okay, how many pages are there in all the books sold? அப்படினா அவ்வளவு books sold பண்றதுக்கு எத்தனை pages ஆயிருக்கும்? Express your answer as a exponential form. As a exponential. So just multiply that. Okay. So solution. So a publisher sells 10 power 6 copies. 10 power 6 copies of a new book. Okay, so each book has pages 10 power 2. 10 power 2. Okay. So how many pages are there in all the books? So total number of pages. Total number of pages are there in all the books sold is equal to 10 power 6 into 10 power 2. So product of law base are same, add the powers. So 10 power 6 plus 2 is equal to 10 power 8. Answer expressed in the exponential form. So you have to start with exponential form. Okay, need not to write in this simplification. Okay, right. And next, fifth problem. If there are 10 power 6 millimeter in kilometer, then write the number of the millimeter in 6 kilometer. So there are 10 power 6 millimeter in kilometer is given. Solution. So just multiply. Z. There are 10 power 6 millimeter in a kilometer. Okay. And then write the numbers of the millimeter in 6 kilometer. For 6 kilometer is equal to 10 power 6 into 6. Okay, so what is the value of 10 power 6? So how many zeros? 6 zeros. Is it? What is the value? 10 lakh into 6. So write in the kilometer, is it? 6 kilometers. So 60 lakh kilometers. That's it. And then sixth problem. Find the value of each of the following. Find the value of each of the following. The first one, 7 by 8 the whole power 0 minus 5 by 7 the whole power 0 plus 4 by 9 the whole power 0. So we have applied the 0 exponent. Anything power 0, 1. So 1 minus 1 plus 1. So this term will be cancelled because 1 minus 1 0. Called the answer is 1. Since 0 exponent 0 exponent, so a power 0 is equal to 1. Right. And B problem, 3 power 0 into 4 power 0 into 5 power 0 divided by 6 power 0 plus 7 power 0. Here also we have applied the 0 exponent. So 1 into 1 into 1 by 1 plus 1. So multiple of 1 we get 1. 1 plus 1. So sum of 2 1 is 2. Okay, so answer is 1 by 2. And then a bracket write 0 exponent. Okay. Next one, seventh problem. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. Simplification. So A minus 4 power 5 into minus 3 power 4 divided by minus 4 power 3 into minus 4 power of 2. Okay. So what is that? Simplify the following only given. Okay. So simplify. So what is the meaning of minus 4 power 5? So minus 4 multiplicated how many times? 5 times. Okay. And then here 3 power minus 3 power 4. Stay in the same value, need not to change because the denominator having the same base. Okay, so that only we have expanded form. If you can directly cancel or if you have directly apply the quotient method, you will do. Okay, so I have briefly explained. Okay, Next one of the problem, shortly using the last. Listen. So minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Okay. So this can be simplified. Cancel. So what we get? Minus 3 power 4. Minus 3 power 4. So what is the value of minus 3 power 4? Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Okay. So 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. Okay. So plus 9 into 9, plus 9 into plus 9. What we get? 81. And B problem. 1 square into 2 square plus 3 square into 2 by 3 the whole cube divided by 4 by 3 the whole square. So 1 square is 1. 1 into 2 square means 4. 2 2s are 4. Here 3 square means 3 multiplied twice a time. So 3 3s are 9. Okay. 9 into, here which operations are given? Division. Is it? Division is given. Okay. So 2 power 3. So 8. 3 power 3. 9. Sorry, 27. Divide. 4 squared 16. 3 squared 9. Okay, so multiply these values. So 4 plus 9, 13 into, first simplify these values, division, is it? So 8 by 27, change the operation multiplication and write in the reciprocal. So reciprocal of 16 by 9 is 9 by 16. So it cancel in 9 table. Okay, it's also cancel in 8 table. So what we get? 13 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Can you cancel in the numerator by 3 and 2? It's not possible. So write, multiply the numerator 13. The denominator is 3 2s are 6. Answer is 13 by 6. Now move to the 8th problem. 8th one solution. If P by Q is equal to 5 by 6 the whole power of 2 divided by 5 by 6 the whole power 3. Find P by Q the whole square, we have to find out. Okay, so P by Q is given, we have to find out the P by Q the whole square. Okay, so division. So quotient rule we have applied, the base are same. Okay, so 5 by 6, the power or subtract 2 minus 3. So 5 by 6, the whole power of minus 1. Minus 1. It can written in the reciprocal. So 5 by 6 the whole power minus 1. So write in the reciprocal, is it? So 1 by 5 by 6. It can written as 6 by 5. So what is the value of P by Q? 6 by 5. So P by Q, the whole square we have to find out. So the P by Q value is 6 by 5, the whole power 2. So 36 by 25. Okay. That's it. And next one, 9th problem. By which number should 5 power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product is equal to 2 power 1. The product is equal to 2 power of 1. So 9th one. So by which number should be multiplied? Okay, so let the number B A. Okay, so a number multiply, so A into, okay, multiply with which number? 5 power minus 1 is equal to 2 power 1 is given. Okay, so A is equal to 2 power 1 by 5 power minus 1. Okay, so write in the numerator 5. Okay, so minus negative exponent change to the positively, so 2 5s are 10. So what is that number? Thus the number is 10. Okay, and final one of the problem from the worksheet 1. By which number should minus 15 the whole power minus 1 be divided so that the quotient is equal to, so minus 5 the whole power minus 1, the quotient is equal to is given. Okay, so solution, let x be the divided, be divided. Okay, so divided, so minus 15 the whole power minus 1 divided by x is equal to, quotient is minus 5 the whole power minus 1. The quotient is minus 5 power minus 1. So, x move to that side. Now move the x value, move to that side by using the transpose method. So product. Okay, so in this side minus 15 the whole power, it can return as 15 minus 15 power of 1. Okay, so x move to this side, so x already here minus 5 power minus 1 is also written in the reciprocal minus 5 power 1. Okay, so negative exponent change to the positive exponent, that's all. Okay, now simplify, the equal symbol is there, so we will cancel the denominators. Okay, so minus minus will be cancelled, plus 5 ones are 5, 3s are 15. So answer for x is equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Thus 1 by 3 is divided. That's it. So worksheet 1 completed. Now move to the worksheet 2. They select the correct answers, fill in the blanks, and then express the power notation. Already more problems completed in the worksheet 1. So that is also homework. Fourth one also homework. Write on the reciprocal. Reciprocal means interchanging the numerator and denominator. Everyone you know. Is it okay? First of all you have write in the exponential form. Okay. After simplify and write in the reciprocal. Now move to the fifth problem from the worksheet 2. Fifth problem, find the value of x. Find the value of x if five power 2 into 5 power x minus 5 is equal to 625. 625. We have find out the value of x. The base are same, power will be added by using the product rule. So 5 power 2 plus x minus 5 is equal to 625. Okay, since product rule. What is the product rule? A power x into a power y is equal to a power x plus y. Okay, now it here the base value is 5, so we have written the 625 in a power of 5. So 2 plus x minus 5, 5 power of 4, is it? 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 25 25s are 625. So power of 4, power of 4. Now base are same, power will be equator. So here 2 minus 5, 2 different sign will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. So x power, x minus 3. So 5 power of x minus 3 is equal to 5 power 4. Now we equate the powers. Minus 3 equal to 4. So x equal to 4. Minus 3 move to that side by using transpose method. So 4 plus 3 7. So x equal to 7. That's it. And 6th problem, 7th problem homework. Now move to the 8th one. Simplify. The first problem is 2 by 3 the whole square the whole power 3. You see into 2 by 3 the whole power 2 divide 2 by 3 the whole power 8. So how can you write? So here product, here power of power rule we have applied. So 2 by 3, 2 into 3 into 2 by 3 the power 2 plus 2 by 3 power 8. Since power of power. Okay, so 2 by 3 the power 2 3s are 6 into 2 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 power 8. Here division is given. Okay, so here apply the product rule. So 2 by 3 the whole power 6 plus 2 divide 2 by 3 the whole power 8. Okay, so product law. What is the product law? A into a power m into a power n is equal to a power m n. Okay, you have considered any value. Okay, right, x or y, anyone. Okay, so base are same. Okay, here 2 power 2 by 3 the whole power a divide 2 by 3 the whole power a. Here we have applied the quotient law. So okay, so 2 by 3 8 minus 8 is equal to 2 by 3 the whole power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. In this place we have applied quotient law. And then 0 exponent. So answer is 1. Okay. Now move to the 9th problem. Write the multiplicative inverse of 4 power 4 into 5 power 2. Okay, so multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal, is it? So multiplicative inverse of 4 power 4 into 5 power 2 is equal to 1 by 4 power 4 into 5 power 2. That is 4 power minus 4 into 5 power minus 2. That is the answer. Okay, this is question. Right. And 10th one. Express the following with the positive integer as an exponent. Negative exponents are given. Have to change the positive integers. So first one, a power minus 8. So positive, right? 1 by a power 8. That is a positive. Okay. And next, b. B is homework. Okay. I will do the D problem. 5 power minus 2 by 5 power minus 5. So write in the positive. So it move to the numerator, this one move to the denominator. So 5 power 5 by 5 power 2. Okay. So it's a quotient rule. What is a quotient rule? 5 power of 5 minus 2. What we get? 5 power 3. Here right? Quotient rule. What is that? A power x divide a power y is equal to a power x minus y. Okay. I have complete remaining problems of homework. Okay. Now write the homework on that side. One, two only homework and from the worksheet 1. Okay, worksheet 1 and then worksheet 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and then A, C. Okay, A, C. Everyone should complete the homework. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt to me. Thank you, students.